Hey guys, it's Jason here with MarineMax in Dallas, Texas. And today I am standing in front of a brand new 2025 Sea Ray 190 SPX. In my opinion, for 19 foot, this boat can do it all. It handles awesome, it's fast, and it has a ton of room. Come on inside and let me show you around. On board of the 2025 Sea Ray SPX 190, you'll find a lot of cool amenities on this boat. This boat is real modern and has a ton of room in it. A couple cool things I like is everything is controlled through this Simrad here. You've got your depth, your GPS, your inside of the boat monitoring, your engine, and even outside of the boat telling you what's going on underneath you, water temperature, etc. Another cool thing is these snap in, snap out floors. They're a vinyl floor, so they're easy to take in and out if you need to clean them. Last but not least is this lounge area. I like this lounge area because it gives you a couple of different places to sit. And it's as easy as lifting up, moving down, and having a seat. So for more information on this 2025 Sea Ray 190, don't hesitate to give me a call. My name's Jason here with MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas.